So when you get your lug nuts, this is essentially what you're gonna see. You're gonna have your lug nuts based on the length and the thread pitch for your specific vehicle. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these one by one so that we don't have to jack the car up while we're installing these. Doing that is gonna allow us to do it a lot faster than, you know, taking it to the shop. So you can basically install these yourself at home. Since these are a custom lug nut, we're gonna install these by hand and then torque them. We're not gonna install them using the gun like we did to remove the factory lug nuts. You're gonna wanna check your factory specs to see what specifics you need for the torque measurements.